Good morning everyone. Welcome to this training session on *DP type LT*, which means differential pressure type level transmitter. This training is prepared by Dayanand Jadhavar, chemical engineer. Today, we will learn the basic concept, working principle, types, installation, calibration, troubleshooting, and safety points of DP type lieutenant. DP type LT is used for level measurement in process industries. It is commonly used in storage tanks, reactors, receivers, distillation column bottoms, evaporators, vacuum vessels, pressurized vessels, and chemical tanks. The working principle is very simple. When liquid level increases inside a tank, the pressure at the bottom also increases. This pressure is called hydrostatic pressure. The DP transmitter measures this pressure difference and converts it into a *4 to 20 mA signal for DCS or PLC. The basic formula is DP equals specific gravity times level. So, for correct level measurement, we must know the liquid specific gravity, tank height, operating pressure, temperature, and process condition. Now, let us discuss the types. For clean liquid service, we use impulse line type DPLT. For open tanks, single flange type can be used. For closed tanks, vacuum service, corrosive liquid, viscous liquid, or slurry service, double flange or remote seal capillary type DPLT is preferred. In closed tanks, we use two systems: dry leg and wet leg. Dry leg is used when vapor does not condense. Wet leg is used when vapor can condense, such as steam or solvent vapor service. Now, installation. Proper installation is very important for accurate measurement. The HP side should be connected to the bottom tapping of the tank. The LP side should be connected to the top tapping or atmosphere. Impulse lines should be short, properly supported, and correctly sloped. Avoid air pockets, leakage, choking, and vibration. Always provide root valves, vent valves, drain valves, and a 3-valve or 5-valve manifold. In normal operation, HP valve and LP valve are open and the equalizing valve is closed. During zero checking, isolation valves are closed and the equalizing valve is open. Wrong valve operation can give false reading. Now, calibration. Before calibration, collect tank height, level range, liquid SG, transmitter range, and output signal details. Then calculate *LRV*,